Today, I'm checking out the Simpson PowerShot PS60843 4400 PSI pressure washer, and honestly, this thing is a beast. Right out of the box, you can tell it's built for serious work. We're talking 4,400 PSI and 4 gallons per minute, which is way more than your average home pressure washer. If you've got driveways, patios, concrete, or even commercial cleaning jobs, this machine does not mess around. Starting it up is pretty straightforward, and once it's running, the pressure is instantly noticeable. It'll strip dirt, grime, and even old stains way faster than smaller electric units. The 50-foot hose is also a big win. You get a lot of reach without constantly moving the machine around. But it's not perfect. It's heavy, it's loud, and it's definitely not something you casually pull out for quick cleaning jobs. Also, some users mention concerns about long-term pump durability, so maintenance really matters here. So is it worth your money? If you're a homeowner who just washes a car once in a while, probably overkill. But if you're a contractor or you need serious cleaning power, this is one of the strongest options in its class. Overall, it's power first, comfort second, and it shows.